When you hear this, guys, in your BMW, it tells you that the exhaust control valve actuator clip is missing. And so, guys, once you get this, normally the clip which normally goes in between here is missing. So guys, I'm going to show you just a quick just a simple trick to help you guys temporarily before you buy the clip, the retainer clip from the dealer or from online. So guys, this is how the normal clip looks like. So it's just about like 10 bucks, so it's easy to get it. So temporarily, guys, you can just find something like this and then you can just slot it in. And then make sure, guys, when you're putting it in, make sure it comes from the top, just like the way this is looking like from the top. Don't put it from down there, because once the actuator opens, the top side is going to come out. Alright, so when I pull it out, that's the same noise you'll get from the exhaust. So guys, this is just a temporary fix, and then I hope really, guys, it just helps you until guys, the new one comes in, and then you fix it up. Alright, I hope this video really helps you out, guys. See you next time.